The interviewer will ask you that questions which you may have not understood carefully or skipped that topic. A similar thing happened to me in my first interview when the interviewer asked me regarding the questions to how to calculate the design wind pressure and what is the significance of use of KD, KA and KC factors. So let us first understand the concept and then I will tell you what exact answer you have to give during your next interview. If engineer starts designing the structure based on the absolute maximum wind pressure, then the structural design will be highly uneconomical. So due to that, we have to use the reduction factors. And there are three reduction factors specified in IS 875. That is KD, KA and KC. KD is the directionality factor. It will never happen that the wind will directly hit at 90 degree to the flat surface of any building. Wind always comes with some angle, with some direction. And due to that, IS code has been recommended for the rectangular surface, for triangular surface, for the flat surface basically, the directionality factor has to be taken as 0.9 and for the circular surface, it can be taken as 1. Second reduction factor is KA, that is area averaging factor. It is very rare that the peak wind will hit the complete surface of the building at the highest intensity. So depending upon the value of tributary area, the KA factor has to be taken as per the table 4 given in IS 875. Now the third factor is KC. KC is the combination factor. It is assumed that it will never happen the maximum external pressure and the internal section will come simultaneously. So this combination factor is reduced to 0.9. So the design wind pressure can be reduced to some extent by using these three reduction factors. And it is also recommended by the code that the design wind pressure PDZ should not be less than 0.7 times of PZ. So this was the overall concept. Now, if someone asked you in an interview that how do you calculate the design wind pressure and what is the significance of the reduction factor, then you can simply answer that the design wind pressure can be found out from the wind pressure PZ by using the three reduction factor, that is KD, KA and KC. KD gives the directionality factors since the wind cannot come perfectly 90 degree to the flat surface, so the directionality factor can be used. KA is the area averaging factor since the complete area cannot be hit by the highest wind intensity, hence the area averaging factor has to be taken care. And KC is the combination factor which is used for the external pressure and the internal sections, and this cannot come with a peak intensity at the same time, hence we use these factors. Thank you so much. And one of my learner has commented to explain the topic of reduction factor, so I made this video. In the same way, if you want to understand some specific topic, then please comment on the comment section. In the next time, I will make a video on the same topic. So thank you so much. And if you have not joined the WhatsApp channel, then please join. The link is given below. There I used to upload the daily job opportunities posted in various platforms. So if you don't want to miss any of such opportunity, then please join the WhatsApp channel. Thank you.